guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to an impromptu video featuring this McLaren Speedtail. Now I've been here at Caffeine and Machine just filming a video with a Caterham that I've had for the last few days. That's in a separate video if you want to check that out. This pre-production prototype has just rocked up and parked outside as I was on my way out, so I thought I'd quickly run around the car and just show you a bit about it, since this is my first time seeing one in the flesh as well. Some things to note while first looking at it: the car is quite small from the front. I mean, it has presence with the doors up obviously, but for a three-seater I expected it to be wider as a kind of first impression for myself anyway. Covered in carbon, black metallic paint, and I hear the paint options are something that can drive the price from 2 million to whatever you choose to spec it with really. Orange pinstriping is a theme on this particular one, and there's the aerodynamics coming into effect with the covers at the front wheels, as well as cameras instead of rear view mirrors, so those tuck in speed mode to achieve the 250 mph speed, but otherwise you've got those which link to cameras on the inside for road legal use. The theme of the colours, as I mentioned, carries on here, and I think some of the MSO options as well. You can see on the steering wheel, I don't know if that's a kind of crushed carbon effect or just to show what MSO can do, but it ties in with the seats, sort of aged looking tan leather, as well as the stitching on the black three-seater setup that you never see on any modern cars. It's just an incredible place to be. I mean, imagine piloting that, the speeds that this thing can do as well. This whole thing is just done with aerodynamics in mind, so the bodywork has no extra fins, no unnecessary wings, nothing like that. Obviously you do have active aero with these panels that come out when the car needs it, but everything else is just designed with cutting through the air, just that sort of shark-like nose and this sort of stingray style effect on the front. I'm in love with this and I've never seen one before. Pre-production prototype put on the side. It has a lot of presence. He approves as well. My question though, would this be the true F1 successor, or would you say that Gordon Marrie's new hypercar could take that crown? What would you actually prefer? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to overlay some footage just so you can take a better look, but thought I'd just pull out the camera on my way out and show you around this car, because don't know how many of these you'll see, seeing as there's only 106 in total, give or take the extra production prototypes that might exist as well. Wow, amazing car, amazing.